Why does my skin get irritated and red after cleansing? It could be that the products that you're using are actually just a little bit too harsh for your skin, or maybe you are cleansing your skin a little bit too harshly. What you can do is always opt for a milder product line. So for example, we do have the rice conditioning powder. So this is going to be great. Not only it's got great oats in it, it's going to be helping you to soothe and calm your skin. Great for those who've got sensitive skin as well. It also has got rice in it, which is great for brightening your skin as well. It smells amazing. Very, very easy to use. You can also go ahead and use a rice toner. Again, it's going to be helping you to brighten your skin, remove any of the impurities and really hydrate your skin. This is a toner essence. And as for moisturizing your skin, I would recommend in using the Soothe and Calm facial oil because it does have squalane in it. Now, squalane is one of those ingredients that actually mimics your natural oil production on your skin. Sometimes it is quite normal to go a little bit red after you have cleansed your skin, even though you may not be allergic or sensitive to the ingredient. It is quite normal. It's all that circulation, all that movement on your skin. The blood is rushing to the surface. So it's nothing to be too much alarmed about. Only when you are getting irritation, when it's not sitting right and it's not feeling right, then I will say swap over to a milder collection.